Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Today we will do unboxing of Narrative Gundam B packs and Bearguy F family. And actually not unboxing. I bought this secondhand, that's why it's in the plastic. This is the P Bandai Neigel. Let's get to it! Okay, so this is the Narrative Gundam B packs. Let's check it out. What's inside? Kinsay ka nagbubble gum liya. Okay, mo ni ang suit sa Narrative Gundam B pack. Main figure, V-fin, backpack. Yeah, base. Okay, next. Kawaii! The bear. Yung baby bear. And base. Lingkuran lang sa baby bear. Okay. And the Neigel's already open. Okay, let's assemble this. Okay, humana na assemble. Okay, let's check more on the details this time. Okay, si Mama Bear. Cute did siya. No, the little bear at the back. Simple kay pang cute naman eh. There. Cute design. Okay. Next guy, Narrative B pack. Oh shit. Natagak. There. More siya ko, no? Kanang unicorn feeling. Not na ko feeling more siya unicorn dyan. There. Narrative B pack. What the guys? What's a rifle? What's a shield? Like so usual na Converge no. Na either sword, yeah, shield, yeah, pusil. Kaniwa. Okay. Ang dako. In comparison there, let's say, ato i-compare sa kuan be. Kaning Ziyong ang size. Nara. Usual size mo ni. Ang bear. No. Maling standard size. Gagmay niya ang P Bandai Neigel in comparison sa Ziyong Stein. Okay. Let's say one. Ini ito yung engravings layo. Akong i-suggest niyo na if gana mo mag-collect og bisag anything na Converge or mas depende tingali sa Converge lang, sa Converge or other toys, palit mo second hand kay mas barato. Palit mo second hand ra. Hindi mo nang affordable kung palit kag brand new. Magmahal-mahal man, hindi ta ka-afford na. Especially karon coronavirus. Watay kwarta. Mani, lingaw-lingaw. At first, di kay ko ganahan ani, pero kadugayan si kong tanaw. Nindot man. No, mura siya praying mantis. Green ang color. Yan yung kamot-kamot. Okay. Bigger. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to press that like button, okay? I appreciate it. So, then, mani ang unboxing sa Bearguy F. Bearguy F o gatong narrative pack na slaya. Nara. Okay, atay butang. Sa ang kani dugay na naablihan na. Size comparison na. Tanan. Okay, bye guys. Bisaya in Japan. Next will be kani. Wait for it. Bye-bye.